I'm super excited to share my epic trekking experience to Mount Abang, right here in beautiful Bali. This challenging 6 kilometer out and back trail, and let me tell you, it was nothing short of amazing. So let's dive into this adventure. The Mount Abang trek, located near Bangli, Bali, is very famous for its inspiring views and demanding terrain. The journey is not easy as you venture into the heart of nature. The trail, surrounded by dense foliage and the sound of exotic birds, so I had a beautiful time. Now, don't be fooled by the beauty. This trail is as challenging as it is beautiful. The ascent is steep and demands both physical and mental endurance. But let me tell you, every drop of sweat was worth it. The feeling of accomplishment when you conquer those inclines is absolutely indescribable. It's a good day. The trek to Mount Abang took us approximately 3 hours to complete. During this time, I enjoyed the diverse landscapes. From rocky paths to dense forest, each way was filled with wonders and excitement. The sights and sounds of nature were my companions, encouraging me to keep going. Finally at the summit of Mount Abang. The view from up here is absolutely amazing. It's truly a humbling experience and I loved it.